Indians do not need sunscreen. The British may have left, but the love for fair skin hasn't left us. This love, coupled with the fear of getting dark, is what the biggest industry of sunscreen creams in India capitalizes on. Professor Kabir Sardhana, head of dermatology department at RML Hospital, says Indian skin is protected due to our natural pigment, achieving an average SPF of 13.4 naturally. The sunscreens he recommends are umbrellas, cotton masks, hats, and goggles. He also says sunscreens neither make anyone fair nor prevent aging and wrinkles. In fact, they can cause cosmetic acne and allergies. Tan isn't bad, people. Allow your skin to breathe, heal itself for a while, and your skin color will be back to normal, if not fair. Please do not apply sunscreen to your child until it is recommended. It can be dangerous if you regularly apply it.